and tired of this. Listen, my good people. Me sick and tired of this. Me don't know about some of my DJs.
The truth can't set for free.
People, listen, people. Jigsy King this. Me sick and tired of this. How I go on. See, because you are going down now. When they dry there. We want to know where dry there. You know what hurt me? Because Barbados what they go perform. And tears what run out of me eye. You know why tears run out of me eye? Because when I look and see all the people that live good over Barbados. Seeing a tree killing them off last year. 1, 2, 3. I know, you know why it looks so sad? A Jamaican go over they go kill the people them. A girl come from a girl dead from Old Harbour. And girl must come from town kill the girl. Cause choose them a fight for one spot for who sell them vagina up on the corner. Our next youth kill us. So a week over Barbados we kill 3 people. 3 people dead. And from the year start, 1 people dead in Barbados. And a brother shoot. What is the singer name? Rihanna, what's the girl name? Fair Family. Rihanna Family. 1 you shoot, 1 killing them up. One listen good, you know. Check Trinidad and check Ireland, Caribbean Island. See? They can Jamaica, we pass them. We beat them bad in a crime. Our country so blessed. Our country so blessed. Oh, we have so much killing. Eh? Listen, when the company we are going to fast with the police are what the name? Indicom. Listen to me, Indicom. Indicom, listen to me good. He said if you know, stop interfere with the police them work, we want to find a billion when not have them.